How to make a speed pad in Roblox Studio. Create parts that will give the player speed up. Group as folder and name it SpeedBoostPads. All parts in this folder will be counted as SpeedBoostPads. Add a particle emitter and name it SpeedParticles. This will be the effect that follows the player when they receive the speed boost. Move the speed particles to replicated storage. Add a script to server script service. Writing the script. This script gives players a temporary speed boost when they touch a speed pad, shows a particle effect, and safely resets the speed without stacking multiple boosts. Getting services, folder, and particle effect. Defines how fast the player becomes, stores the normal walking speed, sets how long the boost lasts, goes through every object inside the SpeedBoostPads folder, makes sure only physical parts can trigger the boost, runs this code when something touches the pad, getting player and character parts, creates a unique counter on the character, tracks the most recent speed boost, prevents old timers from resetting speed incorrectly, increases the boost ID, saves the current boost number, sets the player's speed to boosted speed, checks if particles already exist, attaches them to the player, turns them on, waits for the boost duration, cancels this reset if a newer boost happened, restores normal walking speed, turns off the particle effect. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.